Really loud. You by yourself.
Hello,
No.
we are happy to invite Delilah, Medina, and Bethany
Don't worry about the name.
Bethany to join us in our honor guest at the White House Science Day on Monday, March 23rd. And as our honor guest, the students will not be asked to bring or exhibit their apologies at White House, but will be invited to attend the event, hear remarks from the president, and interact with other students, professional scientists and engineers, high-level seniors, government officials for private sector representatives, and others. The premiers for 4 science fairs held in 2010, 2012, and 2013 and 2014 have been favorite events of the president, as he is always eager to learn more about what the most promising and impressive young scientists, engineers, and inventors have been to across the country. First, we have...
Alright, that's it. Just the first paragraph. What did it say? Where are you invited to go to?
To the White House Science Fair.